Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to share my videos too. Give it a thumbs up because it really does help my channel. And I don't say that enough, but the more thumbs up I get, they'll share it more and it will really help me. And I would so appreciate that. So today is quick and easy day, and we are making the Snowflake Wishes treat bag. I'm going to be saying box because I'm so used to saying box, and I don't do as many bags. And I really love this one. This one is one I did like 7 years ago, and it was one of my more popular videos, and it happened to just pop up on my YouTube channel. I think somebody commented on it, and it just popped up on my channel, and I watched it again, and I was like, oh my gosh. I know I still say a lot, but that it was just like, I think almost every other word. I was like, oh, I don't know how many people could watch that. But anyway, it was 7 years ago. I was really inexperienced. I think it was like almost like my first year of tutorials. So anyway, this is what we're sharing today. I am again using the Snowflake Wishes bundle. I used this on my Sunday project. If you haven't seen that, I'll link this somewhere in the video. And then yesterday, if you haven't seen my card, go and check out that card because I so enjoyed making that card. It was actually recommended from one of my downline. She wanted to see me do a tutorial on it. And it is a pinwheel tower card. And they are becoming very popular. And I heard someone say they have been around before. It's the first time I've seen them. And so I did do a tutorial on it, but it was so much fun just being able to do. You'll have to go see it because it's really a really cute card, and it's a fun fold. And it's not hard at all to do. It looks hard, but it is not hard at all. Anybody can do it. All right, so let's get on with this one. I'm doing this one in Real Red because I want to show you that you can do this in just about any color. So let's get started. You do need a full 8.5 by 11. And oh my goodness, I don't know how much I talk about Stampin' Up's cardstock, but every time I take it out in a full sheet like this, I feel like, oh, it's such a good quality. So we are going to score this whole piece. So let's get scoring. All right, so I don't know what I did with my other stylus, so I'm going to use the one on my Take Your Pick tool. And we are going to score it on the 11-inch side first at 2, 5, 7, and 10. And then we're going to turn it, and you are going to do it at 2 and 7. It's a really easy bag to do. We are gonna, this is the shorter side. We are cutting on this one. I don't know if you can see that. We are gonna cut this bottom piece off here. This is gonna be our glue tab actually right here. And because this is so wide, I did make it a little bit wider. So we're cutting this one off as well at the top. So you can see that will be our glue tab right there. All right, then we are going to cut these 3 squares here. Keep these because this piece is big enough to cut some little things out of. I always save pieces this big. I quit saving the little ones because I ended up not using them. But something like this, I could cut a letter out of here, anything out of this area here. So always save those big pieces. All right, so this is the top. This is going to be the bottom, and we are just going to cut into these. I'm going to just cut a little bit out of these. Okay, so this is what you got, and we are going to sharpen our score marks. All right, I am going to take my little corner rounder. You can use whichever you have, and I am just going to round the corners here of this one. This is our little flap. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my Stampin' Seal Plus, use that or your tear and tape, something strong. And I had problems with this earlier, so it's probably going to give me a hard time today. All right, so we are going to just line these up. I told you this is a really quick and easy one, but it's really cute. And then this is the front, so you're going to fold these in. Fold this one first, and then this is your front because you want a clean finish on the front. And we're folding that back, and I'll stick my fingers in there to make sure. If anything hangs off the side, I don't like that. I always trim these away. Sometimes it does that, sometimes it doesn't. All right, so then what we're gonna do is you are gonna squeeze that top part, and this is gonna fold over just like that. So easy box, right? So we're gonna set this aside for a minute. We are going to stamp. We're gonna stamp the sentiment in real red. We're keeping everything monochromatic. And this piece here is for the front, so it is 3 inches by 1 inch. Yeah, 3 by 1. And this just fits on there, so if you're using the Snowflake Wishes for a Merry Christmas, make sure that you fit it on there just right, because it fits just perfectly on there. See, it just makes it. And then I'm going to round the bottom corners of this. Just to match the other one right there. And then let's stamp. We're cutting this one out in basic white, but we are stamping the 2 snowflakes. We're going to do this one. And then we're going to do this one here. I just love these snowflakes. They're all so pretty. And then we're just going to cut this one out of the basic white. So let's get the cut and emboss. And I'm going to probably need some purple tape. So let's grab this. Set these all down. Use the purple tape on these so that they cut out just right, because if I don't, I know in the video it'll probably mess up. I wonder if I could fit this up here. Yeah, because I don't want to waste that bottom part. All right. So we're ready to send them through. By the way, all the supplies are always listed in the description of the video, and they're also on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. I could have ran this one through twice because it is a little bit delicate. There we go. We just need to poke out a few pieces here. All right, so there's our one. There's our other one right there. And then we have this one. Aren't they pretty? I think they're so pretty, these snowflakes. I'm never going to get tired of this set. I love snowflakes, especially the holiday season. It's just, I love real snowflakes too. All right, so I'm going to squish this down, but I don't really need to do that for this, but I am going to put wet glue on this, and we're going to add it to the front. So I did do it a little bit further down because we're going to put the ribbon right at the edge there, so hopefully I'm going to show you, I'll be able to tie the ribbon, because, and that's just going to go just like that. And then I'm using my double stitched satin ribbon here. I didn't have enough of the sheer. I would have used the sheer real red, but I just ordered some more. In fact, I'll be doing a haul here pretty soon because my order is supposed to come in. Actually, I think it's going to be here before this video goes live, so I'll be doing a haul here pretty soon in the next couple days. I usually hold this in my lap and tie it, so that's why I'm finding it hard. You know what I'm going to do? Okay, I'm going to do it the way someone showed me how to do it. And I always forget to do this, but by holding that with your little, so it gives you a hand free. And I always forget to do it. So there's a tip for you. All right. Undo that one. And I think I got it. It does help you to do a nicer bow as well. Like my knot is nicer there. All right, we are going to put these together. I'm going to just use a little dab here. I thought I was going to make this video better, and it's probably going to be just as bad when I look back on it. All right, and then I'm going to use a tiny mini glue, not glue dot, but a mini dimensional here, and then we're going to put our other one right here. And I am going to use one of our, I was going to use the opals, these little opal rounds, but I'm going to use a rhinestone. I haven't used these in forever, so I'm going to put a rhinestone on this one, and it really dresses it up. And then we are going to use some, I'm going to use some Stampin' Sale Plus on the back here, and we're going to put that on the front. So look how cute. You could even use a basic white or whisper white ribbon on this. I could have used that gauze ribbon. That would have been really pretty, because it is a lot of red, but I think it's really cute. All right, so there you have it. One in Coastal Cabana, one in Real Red. So you can see that you can make these in all different colors. It'd be really cute. And it's a really good size for a small gift or even some really nice goodies. These would be good neighbor gifts or gifts for your co-workers. It'd be really fun to do. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the quick and easy today, even though I struggled with the bow again. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you all have a blessed week. If you need any supplies, you know you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com, and this is the July hostess code. All right, everyone, have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya. Bye.